In April 1962, a wildfire roared toward a small town in New Mexico, threatening to destroy everything. As the flames grew closer, the townspeople gathered in their church to pray for protection. Suddenly, a single crimson rose appeared on the altar, its petals pristine despite the ash in the air. That night, the wind shifted without warning, halting the fire just outside the town. The rose remained at the altar for weeks, untouched, and the townspeople came to see it as a divine sign. To this day, the miraculous rose is remembered as a moment of unshakable faith and protection.